सो हम लोग जानते हैं एसईओ होता क्या है। तो एसईओ का पहले फुल फॉर्म होता है सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन। ये मेरा खुद का ब्लॉग है, blog.appiance.com। तो एसईओ का फुल फॉर्म होता है सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, और ये आपकी वेबसाइट पे ट्रैफिक को इंक्रीज करता है, उसके नंबर्स को, नंबर ऑफ विजिटर्स को, नंबर ऑफ यूजर्स को, आपकी वेबसाइट पे उनका नंबर्स इंक्रीज करता है। सिर्फ नंबर ही इंक्रीज नहीं करता है, उनकी क्वालिटी भी इंक्रीज करता है। ठीक है, विकिपीडिया क्या कहता है? विकिपीडिया कहता है सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ इंप्रूविंग द क्वालिटी एंड क्वांटिटी ऑफ वेबसाइट ट्रैफिक टू अ वेबसाइट और अ वेब पेज फ्रॉम सर्च इंजन। सर्च इंजन लाइक जिस पे आप सर्च करते हो, यूजर कुछ भी सर्च करता है क्वेरी, तो सर्च इंजन लाइक गूगल हो गया, याहू है, बाइडू है, यैंडेक्स है, बिंग है, ये सर्च इंजन है। इस पर जो भी यूजर सर्च करते हैं उनको रिजल्ट्स दिखाते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं यहाँ पे सर्च करूँ ऐप डेवलपमेंट कंपनी इन पटना, ये मैंने हिट किया, ये गूगल पर सर्च कर रहे हैं। ओके, आई थिंक ये नाउ एम आई ऑडिबल टू यू? ओके। सो आप देख सकते हो, जब भी मैंने, ये सर्च इंजन है, गूगल एक सर्च इंजन है, इस पर जैसे ही मैंने क्वेरी की ऐप डेवलपमेंट कंपनी इन पटना, तो उसने मुझे रिजल्ट्स दिखाने स्टार्ट किए। जो आपके सामने है ये रिजल्ट्स है। ये तो मैप हो गया, मैप के अंदर ये 3 रिजल्ट्स दिखा रहा, बिहार एप्स, टेक्निको, एडजस्ट। बिहार एप्स इज आर कंपनी, तो ये फर्स्ट पे दिखा रही है। यहाँ क्या दिखा रहा है? फिलिप टेक्नोलॉजीज, बिहार एप्स 1 2 3, RKVIT, हम यहाँ पे सेकंड पोजीशन पे हैं। वन हर पेज पे 10 रिजल्ट्स होते हैं। ये जो एड लिखा हुआ आता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एडवर्टीजमेंट्स और पेपर क्लिक कैंपेन्स। इन कंपनीज ने पैसे दिए हैं फर्स्ट पेज पे रैंक करने के लिए। सो ये फर्स्ट पेज पे रैंक कर रही हैं। कई बहुत अच्छे पैसे देती है वो, ऊपर भी टॉप पे भी रैंक करती रहती हैं। ठीक है, तो यहाँ बिहार ऐप्स आपको दूसरे नंबर पे दिखेगा। तो फर्स्ट पेज पे आपकी वेबसाइट का रैंक करना अच्छे अच्छे क्वेरीज से, जो भी यूजर सर्च कर रहा है आपके बिजनेस से रिलेटेड, उस पे फर्स्ट, उन क्वेरीज पे फर्स्ट पेज पे आना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। कहा जाता है इन इंडिया जो यूजर्स है वो 90% यूजर्स क्रोम यूज करते हैं, उसमें भी जो 80 to 90% यूजर्स हैं वो फर्स्ट पेज की ही वेबसाइट्स को मेनली विजिट करते हैं। सेकंड पेज, थर्ड पेज की वेबसाइट को बहुत कम यूजर्स विजिट करते हैं। इसका मतलब अगर आपकी वेबसाइट फर्स्ट पेज पे है तो 10 में से 8 या 9 यूजर्स आपकी वेबसाइट को विजिट करने के चांस बनता है। उसमें भी अगर आप टॉप 3 में आते हो, तब आपके पास बहुत हाई चांस है कि आपकी वेबसाइट विजिट करेगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कोई यूजर यहाँ आता है, तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है वो इसको सबसे पहले देख के क्लिक करेगा, यहाँ से वेबसाइट पे जाके क्लिक करेगा और वो हमारी वेबसाइट पे पहुंच जाएगा। जैसे ही वो हमारी वेबसाइट पे पहुंचेगा, वो देखेगा कि उसके काम की वेबसाइट है, क्योंकि उसको ऐप डेवलपमेंट कंपनी इन पटना वो ढूंढ रहा था। इट मीन्स ही इज सर्चिंग फॉर अ मोबाइल ऐप डेवलपमेंट। सो वो हमारी वेबसाइट को देखेगा, वो सोचेगा कि ओके दे आर इनटू मोबाइल ऐप डेवलपमेंट, सो वो हमें यहाँ से कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकता है, व्हाट्सएप कर सकता है। तो ये जो रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं, ये जो 10 रिजल्ट्स आपको दिख रहे हैं, ये मैप पैक किसको कहते हैं? मैप पैक। तो ये मैप पे जो हमारे रिजल्ट्स दिख रहे हैं टॉप पे, ये एसईओ के थ्रू आए हैं, सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन के थ्रू आए हैं। हमने बिहार एप्स की एसईओ किया और इसको फर्स्ट पेज पे रैंक करवाया, फर्स्ट पेज पे इसको लेके आए, इसका मैप पैक को फर्स्ट नंबर पे लेके आए। तो हम जो अगले 3 मंथ सीखेंगे, और ये हम यही सीखेंगे कि हम कैसे एसईओ के थ्रू अपनी वेबसाइट को, अपने ब्लॉग को फर्स्ट पेज पे रैंक करवा सकते हैं। ठीक है। अब एसईओ के अंदर क्या क्या मेनली जाता है, तो पहला तो ये है कि एसईओ हम करते किस लिए हैं? क्वांटिटी ऑफ द ट्रैफिक बढ़ाने के लिए, दूसरा क्वालिटी बढ़ाने के लिए, तीसरा ऑर्गेनिक ट्रैफिक बढ़ाने के लिए, यानी कि अनपेड। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, ये अनपेड है, इसके लिए पैसे नहीं दिए हमने। बिहार एप्स को यहाँ लाने के लिए हमने पैसे नहीं दिए, वी हैव नॉट गिवन एनी अमाउंट टू देम। But here these companies like Frantic, Ugasa, Calten Tech, they have given some money to Google. They have a budget for these advertisements, so they are giving money to Google for the ad placement. So once their money is exhausted, so Google will stop showing their results on this page. It means they are here until they are paying. Once they will stop paying, they will be gone from here. But Bihar Apps was there, is there, and will remain there for most of the times, because we are still doing the SEO. Until the time you will do the SEO, you will see your website on top of Google search. So this is the results you are seeing for Bihar Apps. We have achieved these results within 3 months of our SEO. So, and we are still on first page of Google. It means our SEO is working, and this ranking, although fluctuates little bit, like on first page sometimes we come on first page, sometimes we come on third number. Right now we are on second number, while on map pack you can see we are on first number. So these are different queries. These queries may vary, like in when you will type app developer in Patna. So this is another query. So for Google, this is another query, and this will different results. You can see Bihar Apps is still there. Just Dial, you can see now Just Dial, which is a listing websites. Upwork, IndiaMart, both of these are listing websites. Now Philip, Black Hat, RKVIT, and now Bihar Apps. So Bihar Apps is now on 7th position from this keyword. Okay, but still we are on first page. Here you can see the advertisements, pay-per-click advertisements. So this is inorganic. If you will click this website, so Google will charge them for this particular click, and I may or may not be interested on this particular website, because most of the time Google also shows these results to irrelevant keywords as well. So there is a chance that you will incur expenses for irrelevant user queries. So एक बहुत हद तक इसका चांस होता है. Yes, Madhura, SEO is a continuous activity, but it is like if you will stop doing SEO, like we have stopped doing SEO for Bihar Apps from last 3 months, but still our website is on first page. So you can see the difference, you can check the difference. While in pay-per-click campaign, if you stop doing pay-per-click, if you will stop giving money to Google, so they will stop showing your results on the first page or second page from that particular day. But in SEO, we are even on first page of Google. We have not done SEO from last 3 months, but still we are on top of Google search. So this is the benefit of doing SEO. So you just have to rank the website on first page of Google, and even if you will stop for 15-20 days, you are off, or for a month you are off, so you can again pick up and your website will be there. Maybe its ranking will slightly decrease or increase, will depend on your content and many other factors, because there are more than 200 factors on which Google decides where to rank your website, like content, domain, tags like title tags, meta tags, description, meta keywords, heading tags, number of backlinkings, domain authority, page authority, spam score. There are more than 200 signals. On those basis, Google ranks your websites. Most probably people are saying that, okay, these are the signals. You will find lots of blocks on those 200 signals. Some people will say there are more than 500 signals on which Google decides, but no one has clarity that how Google decides the ranking. There are only few steps or few good things that Google shares with us, with the SEO community, and with that, and with our experience where we are working on our client websites, we determines what are those good habits or good hygienic steps which we can take to rank our website on top of Google search. Like I said, a website may take 3 to 6 months to rank on a web on Google or on Bing. We will particularly tell about Google, because Google is a worldwide search engine using by more than 80% in the world. So we will use mainly Google. तो जब हम गूगल की बात करते हैं तो गूगल पे नो वन नोज, बट दे आर फ्यू हिंट्स दैट गूगल गिव्स अस. और गूगल के जो एल्गोरिथम्स होते हैं, लाइक हाउ गूगल इज रैंकिंग योर वेबसाइट, so there are an estimate that every year Google changes its algorithms 500 to 600 times every year. Means on an average, every day you will see 1.5 algorithmic changes on Google's algorithm for SEO ranking. But these are minor changes. Whenever there is a major change, like every quarter, Google publishes a new major change generally. So whenever there is a major change, Google informs the SEO community that we are upgrading our algorithms, and like we are upgrading our mobile related search results, we are upgrading our full page search results. Like recently Google has announced that so there are few users of few websites where a web page has multiple topics and multiple paragraphs on those topics. So previously Google was not able to properly identify those topics with which that page is related, but now Google has updated its algorithm, and now it is saying that it is able to identify different topics on a particular page and its content, but nothing needs to be done from the webmaster or the website owner's side. Okay. So this is same what I have shown to you in the live results. So how much time does SEO take to rank our website on top of search engines like Google, Bing, etc.? So see, as I said, it is really difficult for someone to tell you the exact time that your website will take to rank on first page of Google. It will totally depend on the sector in which his or her website is relevant. So this is really difficult, but with your experience, you can say if a person is working full time and has a good knowledge, may rank a website with keywords having average monthly searches of 10 to 100 or 100 to 1000 in 3 to 6 months with ease. Okay, so we will learn later about what is average monthly searches. Generally, just remember one thing, that these queries, user queries, which user is searching on Google, is the keywords. We say keywords. Okay, so this is another keyword, best app developer in Patna. Okay, so here you can see we are on fourth number. So for every keywords we have a ranking. On some keywords, on few keywords, you will find us on first rank. Okay, now another question is why should we go with SEO instead of paid marketing like PPC? So SEO is a long term strategy, but it has a better conversion rate. So आप ऐसा सोचिए कि एक तो ये है कि आप एडवर्टीजमेंट निकालते हो कि मैं मोबाइल ऐप बना रहा हूँ, मुझसे मोबाइल ऐप बनवा लो. So there might be few users who are interested in mobile app development. They will reach out to you. That is a good case, no issues. Now there is another case. You are on you are top in the country, or you are top in your city, and people knows about you, or whenever they search on Google, like which is the best app developer in Patna, or which is the best app developer in Uttarakhand, so they find your website on top of search results. So what they will do, they will give you a click, and they will think, because it is a Google, so they generally thinks, okay, this will be a relevant website, this will be a genuine one, so they will send you the inquiries, they will call you. So it has much better conversion rate than adverts. Even generally when people sees these adverts, they skip, because they see, okay, this is ad. So even a fake company may post their ads on Google, and this may mislead the users. They might exhaust the money from them. There are chances. You have heard about cybercrime frauds. So there might be the chances. So in that case, many times user avoids using these websites. Although most of them uses these websites as well, they also gives them a click. That's why the companies are running this campaign. So I'm not saying that this is totally waste. This is really helpful, especially when you want to get inquiries within a day or two. Because if you have the money, you will run the ads. You will run the ads on relevant keywords as well. So whenever a user will type a relevant keyword, and if he or she will see these type of advertisements, so they may send a click, or they may see this website, and if they find the website relevant, they will give them the inquiries. But still, Bihar apps on the top of these keywords will have a better chance to have an organic inquiry, because it has relevancy, and we have a better conversion rate. This is the impression. Bihar apps has one impression here. Bihar apps is another impression here. If I will click here, so the impression has converted into click, and this is called click through rate. Means how much impression has been generated of your website, and later on how much clicks has been generated. Okay, so this is called click-through rate. So obviously, if your website is ranking on top of Google and if it is relevant with a particular keyword and if the keyword is highly searchable, so you will get lots of traffic, and these traffics are from those users who are looking out for your business, who are looking out for your services. So you have a better chance to convert them. Is it clear?